You know, sometimes you know something, but when somebody else say it, it hits different. You have a thing with them called go with the flow. I think that's what mess with it.
You know, there's a word for that. It's called peer pressure. And I think the reason why what I say resonates with you is because I'm a professional in that area. You have to know what to say, when to say it, how to say it. All of these are contributing factors to how people respond to you, how they interact with you. So,
You know, I like your vibe. I really like your vibe. And this therapist thing, I never see myself at a therapy session yet. Just sit down and talk. But now that it has happened informally, it makes sense. I feel comforted.
I think I know why. It's because you're not paying for the session. I'm just joking, but a therapist is a good friend to have.
Okay. Out of curiosity, what's your rate?
I'm not sure you can afford me, Chris.
Sure about that?
Wow, the presentation is in look with the aesthetic of the place. I hope the taste is up to par.
Trust me, I can vouch for them. I wouldn't invite you here if it wasn't.
Okay, let's see. Mm, so good.
Told ya. I have fun.
See, two consenting adults can have lunch together and enjoy your time together. That's just what this is.
Yeah.
And if you'd like, we can definitely do this again.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'd love that.
Okay, good. That way you can get your free psychoanalysis without paying.
Wow. Makes sense.
Let's consider it a barter system. So now let's talk about our sessions, our workout sessions.
I saw what you did there. But yeah, we can talk about it. But first, how was your week? Schedule.
My schedule.